boy! Are you make termites in my family? First, boy, I got gun for my daughter. And my niece nah live good. Check out time.
Radical, you know say you're a big coward.
Me I can tell Stepper say, and the police them come finish you off.
Radical.
Is that gunshots? Let's get them killed, Tyson. What me I gonna do now? Babes, get up! Babes, get up! Babes, get up now! Wake up! Babes, get up! Babes, get up!
Yeah! Somebody might try to take out Tyson. What kind of dream this man? The messenger. I have to deliver it.
Must be mad. A second place ago. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket it. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock the door. And the whole place I shape, my drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Man never complain. Remember the harder the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah, now a champagne a bust like a coaster.
Pebbles, you know something like where one Tyson go on what they do.
But Steph, I'm right, you know. Remember that them same one go shoot him up with you, you know. Same have a pint.
Have a pint and pint going on my face. I threw my little son make me no murder him the other day, you know.
And you meet it around there and Tyson pint going on your face. A judgment, all me and Monique relationship would have to mash up. What you say?
That's why I love you, you know, Pebbles. Me that move mountain for you.
You're not for ask, you know, Steph. You're not for ask.
Pebbles, more Lego dog blood and craving, you know. But we have to teach them a lesson. We have to torture them.
I dead them for dead, you know. Supposed to make them carry my name to the media. How that go?
Me know them boy, they like me hand back. Them nah say nothing.
A joke thing this. Go and put your faith in a people, yeah?
So Pebbles, give me a hug, no man. One radical nah take care of me, you know.
I'm not really in a year, you know. But come.
How what kind of church brother and church sister hug this? So Pebbles, you nah give me some of my thing.
Steph, I'm still up on my pier.
No man, 40 days and 40 nights.
I got a doctor the other day and he tell me I have some hormone problem. Say it now done for now.
Me I need to talk to the doctor then. Your Pebbles, me I gonna need to talk to the doctor then.
Stop boy, you're an idiot. Look how much ears me in a things. If me no want to give my front, me just no want to give my front.
I throw in a Pebbles, but you think good. Me can't get enough.
What, my niece?
I can't want my niece right now, you know, because you ever have somebody who me can't take. No, I want to you. You ever have bad vision?
It's a gift you give me, you know. Yeah.
Me can't bother with your gift because at the moment now it's not my birthday. I mean, I just married or not, so where the bag of gift for? Stay with the gift, yeah? Can't bother. Go find out who have birthday today and go give them the gift for you. I've gone, yeah?
Oh, yeah, man.
You so know.
You're too fast. You're too speedy.
say police shoot up Tyson. I wish police shoot up Tyson. And boy, I'm a dark up his scheme.
See you. A full time I change it. Dirty ways, you know.
More friends, you know, man. Hey, old boy, don't talk to me. How much paper I kill?
Yo, my better than you, you know. You just that I choose to walk the right way. Now, we kill a man for you.
A darkness.
Hey, Matsus, I can't my uncle are going to win.
Baby, let's see how old man that. No one feeling up there.
Okay, I'm up here now. I want to hear him.
I saw when them to make 2 up with them, I want them a Lord Almighty.
But tell you, boy, you them vigilant something there, you know. Stop go around and tell people, boy, you get vigilant for them. Them are going to kill you.
Kill me? I am protected by the Most High Jah Rastafari.
You see a dog will bite it today, we'll bite it tomorrow. But I have to kill them too, boy. Yeah.
You hear me say though? Me name Stepper. Me are the boss.
Ah man, I hate this man. Just let me go, you know, I hear from me again.
You know, Mr. Stop your talking. You can't talk your way out of this. After I shoot up my baby father.
So I want to do it, Craven here.
Shut up your ass mouth. You only make things worse.
Stepper, I don't care what you want to say. He has to die today.
Monique, I am the commissioner of police. They work for me. I can't get involved in this.
Stepper, guess what? I can't take any more of this. You're gonna have to deal with Tyson. I'm gonna leave.
Do my boss, not kill me.
Kill you? No man, me not kill you. Me not have to listen to Tyson, you know. I'll do no fire shot from me. Me no fool like you know. I chess me player.
So let me go now, you know. Cause if Tyson come see me, I say, well, surely dead, you know.
No worry about Tyson, man. Me not done with you yet.
As long as you don't kill me, everything good. Step on. I need more work, you know. Oh, me go pay my bills.
Shut your fuck up, you workless piece of shit. Let this be a lesson. The next time you cross my path, you go dead.
So let me go now, no?
Not now. Young Craven here got a next piece of beating to get.
Boy, Pebbles, I think I'm gonna leave Tyson.
No, girl, if you do that, you're mad if you got to say you're pregnant.
I know, but don't you see everything is getting out of hand? The more I talk to him, is the more him get worse.
I understand what you're saying still.
Remember, I have my baby to think about.
Yeah, but Monique, you can't do it alone still.
Well, I don't have a choice, and if I have to do it on my own, I'm just gonna have to do it on my own.
Well, Monique, I know you more than 10 years now, and you're stubborn. If I can't convince you to do it, I just can't convince you.
Bantam!
Hold up. Right, you step out, we are there.
What you say?
A long time I don't see the man in the star. So the man in the dash one of your friend, sir.
Me no dash you a star. You know when a life changes come.
Yeah, no, step up. Me all you say, turn commercial policeman. Eh?
Yeah man, top ranking.
Oh yeah, sir. So I bring you back, boy, you know. What go on?
You know me have a boy in that place named Tyson. Boy, I give me enough problem. Now if you gonna check a old G like you, man, more you talk to him.
So on the Tyson. And Tyson my boy, man. I really youth them, you know, man. But yeah, anytime I see him, I talk to him still. Because I youth them, man. You see me? So I talk to him anytime I see him.
Remember say you set it, you know. Me and you start this thing for a long time.
I want to tell you, say the badness thing now work again, you know. You see me, I say, but me have to sit down with them like a young youth and I hear them still. I talk to them about them things still. You see me, I say, so you say anytime I see Tyson, I got a reason with him, man.
Me I tell you, I bring a piece of food come give you, you know. A long time we are coming, you know.
I know what you say, so I don't see you, no, brother.
No, man, no, man.
I'm not looking for the eye, you see me?
Irie.
Big up yourself.
Irie.
What Tyson there?
Tyson there, you know.
The I have an urgent message for him, you know.
And the time for the fucker right now, you know.
Give me a number for him. You know I'm going to want you, my officer.
Alright.
Babies,
What on?
you can't pick off a look at these map I dream.
Am I leaving?
Oh, cool. Everything good to them.
Yes, so far.
Yo, I don't want to step up here, you know. I'll do a year yard.
Oh, okay, that me just there to tell us I'm my yard.
Pebbles the school, man. Remember say, step out, dip on the man inside. I step on one leg of the man them. And we can't look at them boy. Them.
You know, so them under my lock. Okay. My watch.
Watch out, no?
So them not gonna win.
I told them after dead. See? Today now, do all them dead. But I run up on the road against the parents and call back. See me?
Yeah, give me a piece of that killing dead one.
See you. I hold me like watch out, no? Don't fuck up, no. Please.
No.
See? Big up yourself.
Alright.
Bad squad,
Right,
you know?
yeah.
Bad squad, you know?
Oh, some of them must smoke without fire. True, you have a police, girl. You feel like say you can't attack my body, but me tell you this. Me still know why you. Me still know why you.
You just start digging a man file, sir.
Me don't even dig in your file. The file worldwide open. I file I talk about digging, huh? Never next man I dig up my file.
Hey, girl, I know you hurt me feeling low, girl.
Hello, who this?
A me man Tyson, I kind. Me have an urgent message for you, you know.
It's not a good time right now, bro.
Me get a vision clear as day. A dark skinned woman close to you. I'm gonna try to take your life today.
I kind. How will you really get them vision from?
From the most high. Tyson, take my warning. Look out for the beast.
Yeah, man, I kind. Me I go look out for the beast. I know exactly who you attack.
Angler Tyson. Your future bright. Don't make them out of candle.
The darkness can't overcome me.
Boy, dog blood. If you ever know me just deal with a friend a while ago. Boy, craving here. And you cause all this, you know. You see me? You're going like you're tough. Dog blood. And if you know me deal with a friend a while ago. Craving you're dead, you know. And I hear it. What's that fuck? Your judgment day today, you know. Dog blood. You think a dog blood are run? A hair blood are run today, here? Yo, dog blood. And you cause all of this, you know.
Tyson. And I'm here for blame, you know. Radical cause all of this, you know.
And a radical robbed me. And a radical shot me. Dog blood, just go and count on your time here. I hope you know if you count too. Tap me, I tell you. Man, you look for a man to see you.
Say step up, come here today. Come look for the man then.
That means the Pebbles, nah, listen to me, I tell her accident. I'm tell Pebbles to make step up come back around here, you know. I choose say I step up fucking bro.
Oh, dog, step on and fuck again, dog.
Dog, you know something wrong with the youth. So you really feel like step on and fuck it again. My father have millions of dollars in India, now I'm to you. Stop what like say you're weak in the dog. See? But you want a dog, I want you watch out for them boy, because them boy can't get away, you know. I step on them boy, then them boy have to dead, you know. You see me? I told you I take them out.
Anything, Mr. Man.
You're lapsing nobody in there.
No, dog, I'm not lapse, man.
Nah, man, bro. I'm to everyone, man.
Yo, Tyson, we are doing a Pebbles yard.
I kind. How we are there, brother? If who are there, brother?
We know everything.
I kind. Careful, you know. Careful, yeah?
Yo, just pass me a pass through, man. We have a message to Pebbles. But I'm going to back up shut a piece.
Oh. Oh, we're too far when I walk, you know. Radical, me tell you, the boy Tyson want to kill me officer them. Boy, I'll draw a gun for me.
How good for you? That fear happened to you. Look how long me I tell you about the boy.
Well, Radical, no other the time for blame who right from who wrong.
Well, me I go blame you. And me I go point finger upon you.
I'm a son that, you know, I'm really no want to show him the wrong side. Because I love him.
Oh, some man you love. So me know your wife. So me no deserve loving too.
Woman, you know what? Every time I talk to you, it bring chaos. Make it stay. Me will deal with my problem, you see.
Yes, deal with the problem.
What kind of injustice are going on here, sir?
Rasta, help me now.
Oh. Hey, you're going to help you, know. But no call me name.
Yeah, man, do.
Yo, respect Rasta.
Them a free me. Fast the whole a better you not see me. Oh God, and them a free me. Fast the whole a better you not see me. I don't know what kind of tie up game them a play now, but Rasta not play them game there. Free up the youth.
Babes.
I want no Indian.
Babes, you know what's a dog blood get way?
What you mean by dog blood gets way?
Yeah.
So I craving you there.
Go on there sleep, see me.
I'm mad, you mad man.
Go and go check everything I lie me I tell.
As much as I love you in an Indian, I'll kill you. Don't fuck up here. Tyson, you don't know what I want.
What?
You know say the one dog blood escape.
Dog blood escape? When dog blood for dead? So I craving you there?
The boy in there so.
You only make dog blood. Yo. Watch it, sorry. Move. Push soul crave. Bump up the house. Push soul.
So you did stay, yo? I say you think they tough, yo?
Pebbles. That boy whatever name, Quaver name. Shock me. Couldn't. I know my vex how dog blood get away. I want to know who like a dog blood, you know. And that me need to find out right now. I'm the one bad Indian the two. I'm left round here, you know. So who did there?
No, Indian just tell me that I get like in the there.
So where they know?
Bad Indian!
Yo! My dad! Yo! Me come, stay with it. Bad Indian! How dog blood get with dog?
Yo, I don't know no Tyson.
You don't know, brother. You me left you for dog. What go on?
I don't know what go on, bro.
Brother, who come in here yard? Who come in here yard?
Bro, only the Rasta man, bro.
Who I kind?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, but there when I kind there dog, so
You must see me walk off, so I take a leak, you know.
Bumbuk. I kind let go. Damn, you got chop off I kind head, you know. Yo, every time I come to him about vision, I hope him get a vision about this bumbuk like dog.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
But I told him, yo, you know what, yo, me I lift up. See, man, for this bumbuk lad.
See how hard, man. Boy, Pebbles. Every time, if you get the thing, something happen.
Well, the time is right now.
Well, it's 5:17.
Where you go with this?
Remember your police now, and I use a protection, you know.
Protection? I breed more, you breed me.
Well, baby, I for born now.
Well, you speak my language.
Nobody nah answer me. Know what I mean there, no. Come on from woman, boy.
Stepper, what you do you so?
Where you are doing so? Every minute in the pan period, if me can't get it, him nah get it either.
Yo, Stepper.
You no say nothing to me, no. I sound gunshot man busting at this.
Bad Indian, you the pan your own.
Pebbles that you me love it from my heartstring. Yo, we have to go talk, you know. Go out the door, man. Yo, hold them out.
What you want to do, Stepper?
Pebbles feels that she can't play a game with me. She don't know say me the real game head.
Yo, anytime you get the pussy from Pebbles, yo, something always happen.
Monique! Yeah, you don't want to know what just happened.
What happened?
Hold on, girl, I have to go sit down. You know, some girl in India now while I go for game peace. No one step a show up around there.
What?
Girl, right now step around there, kill him with legs.
What? And you leave them around there alone? Come.
Hello.
Tyson, all along you know say your friend there with my woman and you don't tell me nothing.
I want to step on, you call my phone. I want to fuck you, come tell me, but I want to step on. What you want me now?
Me just go on a bad Indian yard, got to go talk to him about the situation. I will catch him and Pebbles round there, fuck.
Yo, me not care about you and bad Indian situation. Me not care about going on with Pebbles and bad Indian. I say I call my phone, me ain't no family no more. You hear that when I have the link, where you call me about my buckler phone for?
Tyson, why you know if you deal with man, you know? Cause all I know go like man a fool, you know. I bet me sure know me made of. When you see BIGFOLL mark on my forehead.
Me now see mark on your forehead. Me know you're a big fool, cause I be a big fool move you make.
It's alright, Tyson, man. It's alright, cool.
What is him in there?
You think that one?
Sure Stefan kill him?
Come. Uncle Stepper, what happened to Bad Indian?
All you money get me to fool to, you know. You know say bad Indian and Pebbles in a things.
No.
You can't tell me no, me just catch bad Indian and Pebbles a fuck.
What? So Uncle Stepper, what did you do to him? Did you kill Bad Indian?
That me should have do, yes.
Uncle Stepper, are you forgetting that you're a married man? You're supposed to learn to let things go.
Monique, all you and Tyson take me for you that too, you know. Me shouldn't need no talking with you, you know.
I don't give a damn what you and Tyson have. You need to slow down, Stepper.
Imagine, look how your belly I get big. And you want to follow up Tyson and him bad man lifestyle.
Stepper, you don't need to worry about me and my child.
Active music. That girl are kind of different in it. I swear, brother. Mom's not fuck a bagger man, you see it. Excellent, she excellent. You mean with the pussy balls you make blue. No excuse tonight your walls are get bruised. Fuck time panty fly, jet blue. But the hot pussy wet mine you catch flu. Spunk up your body jar, make you get rude. Clean piece a girl you never smell like cesspool. Deserve the world, sunshine. 10 moon a bag a man a try and never get through. I will buy you roses. Baby you can have anything you need.
Is that for you? No, it's not for you. Think it's for the baby.
I changed my mind. I want this one.
You know what's your bad mind? Come.
Tyson, I really can't do this. I can't do this anymore. Remember when I just met you and I told you that I don't like the badness? And every day it's just getting worse. Every day it's just guns, guns, guns.
Come see my money. You know see how I right me and fight for live? Eh? If my farm fool me dead long time.
Excuses, excuses, excuses. You really love this gun thing.
Love what kind of gun money? I wish me never take up a gun in the first place. They feel it easy in the ghetto. And people just bad mind and want to kill you when you have look ambition.
Yeah.
Well, I can't live like this. I can't live like this, getting up every day and looking over my shoulder.
I want to you, babes. You don't have to look over your shoulder. But me always be behind you.
You don't take anything serious. I think we need to take a break.
Take what kind of break? You feel like a hand and a half thing this? You get mad?
Tyson is over. I can't take the violence anymore.
This can't over till me say it over. Remember you carry my seed. See?
Tyson, go on back to your ghetto. When the child is born, I'll let you play your part.
Any your mother never grew me good. You wouldn't have your 32 teeth right now. A thump man should have thump out your teeth them. Cause you cause all of this.
What? I cause all of what?
First thing, you make a year auntie make dog do try kidnap me. Then, second thing, if I never go kidnap Babs, me and my brother would not war. You hear that from a meeting, I just be a judgment.
Listen, you're the one who caused all of this, so don't come and try and blame it on me. I'm glad you finally talk how you feel, but you're the one who put yourself in this position.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me I go back and get you here.
Must be mad. The second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think for rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, better bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, a drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not talk money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker.